Eyes across Jamaica. News from every angle.
Let's see what is popping in the news. And remember, like, share, subscribe and hit that notification bell. The tenant has been accused of murdering his landlord in Lancewood Exchange yesterday morning. The dead man has been identified as Desmond Sherwood, 58. Reports are that Sherwood and his tenant had a dispute over rent when he was stabbed several times by the tenant, who then escaped in the area. Sherwood was pronounced dead at hospital. The police are searching for the tenant, who is only known as Chad. 4 men pretending to be police officers entered a house occupied by a family of 3 in Kingston 6 last Thursday and killed the father after robbing the occupants of their cell phones. The dead man has been identified as Cassif Williams, 28, a laborer of Lower Hallsdelight, Kingston 6. Reports are that the men, pretending to be police officers, entered the house occupied by the couple and their 9-month-old son, where they robbed them of their phones. Before leaving, the men shot Williams several times. A total of 28 spent shells were recovered from the scene. The police are investigating.